How to make money blogging for beginners. The blogging scene has changed in recent years. Previously, people used to blog to fulfill their passion. Some found it the perfect solution to remain in touch with near and dear ones globally. With the increased popularity of internet, now everyone wants to make money blogging. In fact, many are making an excellent income blogging right from their home. Beginners to blogging will find this article very helpful as it offers 6 important tips for generating income blogging. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Tip 1. Create your niche blog. By creating your blog, you serve twin purposes. Firstly, you define a voice with your good content material. Secondly, you build a target market all by yourself. It is therefore very important that you choose the blog niche carefully. Once you take care of this aspect, these 2 objectives are fulfilled very easily. Tip 2. Choose your blog setup wisely. Fortunately, there are many approaches to select a blog setup. It gives you greater flexibility during the selection process. For example, you can go for well-reputed free-of-cost hosting blogging platforms such as WordPress.com and Blogger.com. These are ideal for a beginner as it offers no-frills solutions and is very straightforward. You just need to sign up and they will host your blog on their server. Once your blogging platform gets set up, you can begin writing your posts and make money blogging. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Tip 3. Host your own blog for greater flexibility. Free web hosting comes with its own flaws. For instance, it does not give you greater flexibility. You can easily overcome this flaw simply by purchasing hosting from a well-reputed service provider. In return, you get the facility to create the blog of your choice. It also gives greater accessibility to your target audience in the cyberspace. Browse the internet as many companies are offering cheap hosting packages. Tip 4. Go for an effective blogging software like WordPress. If you wish to earn from your blogging efforts in quick time, opt for WordPress. There are several reasons for this suggestion. Firstly, popular search engines like Google vouch for it, which is why they give top ranking consistently. Secondly, almost every host company appreciates it and readily agrees to do the setup to meet your requirements. Thirdly, it offers amazing plugins which in turn enhances your website's functionality. Fourthly, it is preferred by almost every blogger as it offers better customer support assistance. Tip 5. Promote your blog regularly. Remember, there are thousands of blogs in the internet. In order to reach your target audiences, you need to promote your blog at regular intervals. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Promoting your blog becomes a lot easier when you approach social media forums. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn or Pinterest enable to promote easily. They have a greater reach in terms of audiences. This way, you will be able to connect to your readers in thousands in just few seconds. Tip 6. Adhere to proper blog maintenance. Before you decide to get into blogging, you need to know a simple fact. Success won't happen overnight and you cannot make money blogging. Blogging is an ongoing process, which is why it needs suitable blog maintenance. You need to give your efforts and time to be successful. For instance, post new contents regularly so that search engines reflect your site in their search results. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck!